Should you use a simple type layer or a containing text box on your scrapbook page? Let's take a look. A simple type layer can be created by getting the horizontal type tool, clicking once on the document, and typing. The more you type, the longer your line of type will be. You can press Enter or Return to go to the next line, but if you don't, the line of type will just keep going and eventually run off the page. In contrast, a text box is created with the same tool, but instead of clicking once, you will click and drag, which creates a box to contain your type. The more words you type, the more the box will be filled. As the type reaches the box's boundary, a return will automatically be added. Also, if you decide to reshape the text box or transform the text box, the paragraph will reshape along with the box. With all of that in mind, let's take a look at when each of these methods would be used on a scrapbook page. I'm starting with a mostly complete page. I just need to add the title, some journaling, and a date. The three main things a digital scrapbooker would be using these methods for. First, let's look at the title. A title is generally only a word or small phrase, so there's no need to contain the type within a specified area. You just click on the document, type a title, click the check mark. In this case, I just need a type layer, not a text box. Next, let's look at journaling. Journaling can be just a few words, but typically it will be at least one paragraph. You add a text box, add journaling, you can justify it if you want, and then click the check mark. Because of that, a text box will help to contain the type and keep you from having to add returns and make changes as your journaling unfolds. And finally, let's look at the date. The date is just like a title, but in smaller scale, so you just add the date. Typically, a date will only be a short string of words and therefore does not need to be contained. I hope this quick tutorial helps you better understand the difference between a simple type layer and a containing text box. Here's my scrapbook page now that I have finished adding all of my text. I have one text box layer for my journaling, and I have 4 type layers for all 3 title layers and my date. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. This has been Jennifer Juris with Digital Scrapper. We help you get your stories told.